I'm literally shaking. Oh my gosh. Guys, do you guys see like all over there? Down there? Look at all the fireworks. Oh my god. Look at all the fireworks. Look at all the fireworks. Oh my gosh. Oh shit. Look, and you can see like, whoa, bro. I'm shaking. Look at that, and it's fucking thunderstorming. Like, this shit is crazy right here. Oh my god, I'm literally shaking because of how fucking grand this is. Like, what the fuck? I need to look at the sky. Holy moly. Damn, look. Okay, the sky. First of all, are y'all, oh my god, yo. Oh my gosh. Literally, actually crazy. Hold on. Cause, oh my gosh. That's actually crazy. I'm literally so stunned. I need a drink of water. I feel like I should get down for some reason. I don't know why. Anyways, we're gonna take a... You can still see the fireworks. Oh my gosh. That's insane. How y'all doing today? Hopefully it comes out good. I don't know. I just set it up and then we're hoping for the best. Okay? But I think it should be okay. Just put it there. But hope y'all got y'all shit ready. I don't feel too good. Like, my body feels kind of weak and like all that shit. Welcome back to my channel. Hope y'all got y'all shit ready. Yeah, we're just gonna be listening to fireworks because, yeah. Cheers, y'all. Cheers. That's a lot going on right there. as I was saying, bro, dispensary weed tastes so fucking synthetic. Like, shit does not taste like weed. It tastes like you're smoking little fucking plastic and micro like metals or some shit. I don't know. But shit does not taste organic. Like, I want organic, truly grown weed. Like, I swear they put like hella chemicals in this shit. Like, I just want some weed, organic. I see the fireworks though. Oh damn, I wasn't even showing me. Oopsie. The sky, because it's about to rain. It's about to be thunderstorm. Y'all be safe out there. Alrighty, so as the fireworks are coming about, and you know it's really really loud, and there's a bunch, and my camera setup is like pretty much not okay right now, but today's topic is desperation. Oh my god, wow, that is crazy. Woo! Woo! Yeah. Fireworks. It does not stop. Oh my god. That's crazy. But yeah, y'all, so basically, don't do anything out of desperation for something that you want to accomplish. If you want to accomplish it and you want to do it, like, take it I was about to say, take it for granted that, what the fuck is going on? Take it for granted that you might not get that thing it is that you want if you do it out of desperation. Okay? Take it for granted what you're not gonna do, so you don't do it. That low-key is like stinging me, because take it for granted. Holy shit, hold on. These fireworks are kind of crazy. Yeah, take it for granted. So it's like you kind of don't do that thing. That's kind of a strange way to think, though. I guess that's the way that I think. But yeah, if you want to accomplish something, not like educating yourself enough or anything like that might just be the reason to as why you feel like you can't accomplish it, you know? Maybe you're stuck in whatever math problem, you're stuck at whatever, like, you can't get past a certain page in the book, you know? It just has you so either in awe or just in blank, but whatever it is, or either way, to get over that, like, for example, this is a good example, right? Like, if a teacher gives you a book report, like, you gotta read the book, right? But like, if the kid goes to watch the movie, my ears are gonna not gonna lie, that shit is loud as fuck. That was kind of crazy. Damn, that was like right here, like right there. What the hecky? Anywaysy. Hope y'all smoking with me, and if you're not, I hope you're chilling. I low-key find this very therapeutic because it's hella noise. And then later on, there's gonna be no noise. Be obedient to yourself and be the best version of yourself that you want to be. Whether that comes with doubt, whether that comes with worry, you're going to be able to get over that worry and turn that worry and turn that doubt into a manifestation of gratitude. And you're going to use that gratitude to lift yourself higher and higher every single day, no matter what. So before you think you're going to do something quote unquote irrational, think about the rational and then make your decision. If you want to make the irrational, go for it and step in it with confidence. But if you see that the rational is a better option for you, then you take that rational, quote unquote rational option, and you strive with it. Strive with it and you continue to carry that, because that's an essence. You don't just elaborately plan something and then you start off with making all these like bad intentions, bad like ways of living and going. It's like low-key I just saw somebody with flash over there, but whatever. Anyways, I'm just with the flash too. Holy shit, am I like good right here? Like, am I good? Anyways. But yeah, I know that all of y'all that have watched me on this channel, like, I know y'all have like such a beautiful intention of living, and not just living in the ways that, okay, like, I don't want to die, but living in prospect and freedom and just great admiration to yourself and to your identity, to who you want to be. And so once we start continuing in that path, once we start to settle into what it is that this is what we need to do, we create a sense of self that is driven and that is motivated. And that motivation is just gonna come as it is. You don't think about it, you just do it. And as you're doing it, you get these little eclipses. You're going to be able to learn. It's okay. So take everything with grace and take it with the discernment that you have and elaborate on that. Tell yourself and ask yourself. So think before you do something. These are very important moments for you. And the grand, like, I don't even know what to say. The grand jury in the sky that has planned your future has laid out the grand plan for you, and you're walking in those footsteps. Whether it is you are in the beginning, the end, or even the middle, you know, because you're gonna keep going and you're gonna end up again either the beginning, the middle, or the end. But you know how to move now. You know the ways that you have to go. So it's like you have this path, and it's like it's glowing, and you finally decided to take it, and there's nothing or no one that could take you off of that. So just remember, think before you act, because these times are really times of you having the gift that you have and sitting with it and receiving in it. Because what you need to do is put out to be able to get back. It's putting out and then trusting the putting out. Because once it's out there, it's out there. And whatever it is or whatever it comes to, like you did it. I'm literally talking to you. And whether it is the beginning or whatever, as I keep continuously saying, you just know. Just know, and that's the beautiful part in it. And I'm proud of you. I'm so motherfucking proud of you. The fireworks is for me. All these fireworks are for me. I'm being celebrated, and you are too. And also, fuck the 4th of July. But these fireworks, though, yeah. It's really nice looking at all of them. Like, people on yachts and stuff, I believe, like, on high rises looking at that shit, they probably scared as hell. Like, whoa, what if I get bit up by this? Like, because that's me, okay? But yeah, hopefully everybody's safe. Hopefully everybody had a good night. And yeah. So yeah, to wrap up the message and to come to a conclusion, excuse me, really just, think about both ways. Because right now you're in a path and you're going. But there's different, like, little branches that you're going off to, branches. But it's really just in your path. You're still sticking in your path no matter what. But whatever is best for you, whatever you think is best for you, and just think on it, pray on it, journal on it, and then you make the decision. You don't need to be forced by anybody or anything, like, to do anything. So these big opportunities are coming for you, and you're gonna be able to finally say yes and no to what it is you want to do. And you know, that contagiousness of this gravity that is, like, to me it's like grief, but it's like grief and it's mixed with like this sense that I'm not, like, proven to be. So it's like what I'm getting isn't really, like, thanked upon me. You know, I feel like people are still gonna be like, oh, you know, like that girl is like just something else. And so that's my own thoughts going, and that's just like a different version of doubts, different version of going. But once we get to these different versions of moving forward, different versions of viewing, perspectives, point of views, we can go so much higher, and you can create whatever the hell you want to create. From it being a fucking another Empire State Building, or fucking fireworks that are just like, I don't know, just different kind of fireworks or something. You can do anything. Like I could just name so many things, and it's like everything. And so what I feel is like this like line, and everything behind me is like a cape or something, like, but it's like so big. It's so big around me. Every time I look back, it's like this grand gesture, and it's like always this like hand pushing me forward no matter what. And it's not with like agility or a fragile way, but it's really just like, and I just appreciate that a lot. But yeah, I hope that y'all like this talk. I am just gonna leave it there, and yeah, y'all can digest that. Is it focused? Because damn, that whole video was not focused. Sorry. Oh well.